I've been challenged to a race by someone, and I think I'm going to lose. But I don't think I've ever shotgunned a beer with you, so I haven't seen.
That's not true.
I don't remember the last time.
Crown Heights, dude. We probably did it. Oh! Wait, I need a bigger
Someone's
hole.
gonna have to give us a countdown.
Wait, I need a bigger
Countdown!
Wait, I'm not done.
No, when
Hold
she's
on.
ready. I'm gonna give Morgan's keys back too.
Look it up.
Some weird old shepherd dog
Alright.
that came around.
Ready?
Alright.
This is gonna be the first. This is the first time someone's ever challenged me, and I think.
Oh, you have a bigger hole than I do.
Do what you want to do.
Okay, it's fine. I'm fine. I'm ready.
Denise, you want to give us a countdown?
Okay.
I'm gonna lose this.
From what, 10 or 5?
How about 3?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
I didn't burp though.
I always work, but I'm not supposed to.
You're like level 2.
I win the award in etiquette.